so I just got my braces tightened, and it fucking hurts, man. And now I'm just waiting for my car to start again because it's ass and it has a weird starting issue. Let me show you. As you can see, I can't get it to start. Let me try one more time for the camera.
My life has one design, a simple little bag of
Oh yeah, it's also like super foggy outside. So I guess what I can do is I'll just go into Walmart like I usually do and probably eat shit on a skateboard and pretend to be Casey Neistat. I actually do like skating. My car won't start, so because it's ass.
Did you even get a gas station or something?
No, I just have to wait, and I gotta take a dump. Oddly very clean in here. Oh, hello. I feel about 10 pounds lighter now than I was 10 minutes ago, I guess. Taking a shit can really change your life. Now let's see if my car can start. One. So it doesn't start yet. Oh wait, you gotta play the music, Ryan.
That's right. Oh yeah, he has my controller too. Did you see the Russians' really long fucking hassle post?
What was it?
The one because like they money matched for like a Facebook status. You just gotta read it, dude.
How long ago
so
was it?
fucking long. It was like last night. It's like the freshest thing on the feed of Sex Smash or anything.
Oh my god, you're so good. You're so good.
Oh yeah, the music. This is John. Oh.
Ah! I thought it was Fox! No! The turnip. Yeah.
You want rice?
Yes, please. I mean sour cream, please.
Thank you.
Hello.
Anything else?
Can I get a water cup? I feel cheated here. The other Mexican place is like that big and it's like $6. But it's closed. It's closed. It closes at 5.
Where's it at?
Across the street from Rayleigh's.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, Santa Maria.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you been there?
Yeah, dude.
I
That's the
haven't
best
been
burrito in
there.
town.
Is it like on the go or do you have to like sit down? Like, is it like a restaurant?
You can actually sit in it.
It's pretty cool. Got a burrito right here. Chips.
Right on.
Pico de gallo. Oh. Horchata.
It's okay. At least it's not in there.
Not in the like. Remember when we came and I got that burrito and there's like my plate was juice? Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wait, was I there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember now.
Yeah. Well, you're getting it down.
Somebody tried to add you.
Yeah.
If there's a possibility, I don't know how you.
Yeah.
This is how you clean a table. You're doing it wrong. I learned from
You're
Mike.
doing it wrong.
Terrible. He's so bad at it.
Wow, I'm so cool.
$4 worth of burrito. Hang on. Hang on.
The pivotal man right here. Hey guys, I'm a tool bag.
Looks too girly to be.
I'd wear it.
I'd wear it.
Yeah, I'd wear it.
You would?
I'd wear it so hard.
I would wear it.
You're fresh. It's fresh. Yo. Yeah. There you go.
I don't know, bro. I don't know about that.
They're too small.
See if I can even see myself.
Who has that big of feet?
Yeah, you look good. Brother-in-law's outside.
Thanks.
Make sure you don't go off the side. Putting dinner up on that table, you know. I don't got any kids. Like my gum. Check this out.
What are you, Michael Jackson, dog?
wearing that.
Oh my!
Oh, you see that?
Oh, we can run together with
know, but
this.
this one's
I can wear this one.
Darker.
I can be like, dude, it's
pretty
hella
sure
hot in
you have
here.
the
I'm
same
sweating.
exact-
And you're just like, you should probably take that off.
Darker.
Nah, dude.
But you
This
already
one,
have
Josh.
that
Josh, this is so you.
Oh, yes.
But it's not sleeveless. No.
You gotta cut it. Make it your own. Is this a women's? This has gotta be a women's.
It's gotta be.
So, I just got home and I have to deal with the most annoying things. Editing this video and this. God, it smells like piss over here already.
Didn't make it very far, did we?